I'm staring at my friend's bank statement, and it's like a weight's been lifted off her shoulders. $12,819 in savings, earning a whopping 4.2% interest rate, all thanks to a high-yield savings account she switched to just 6 months ago. She was like me, stuck in a rut, thinking that savings accounts were all the same, but then she discovered the power of high-yield savings. Now, she's on track to earn over $500 in interest this year alone. I know, I was skeptical at first, but the numbers don't lie, and I'm about to walk you through exactly how she did it. If you're like most of us, you're probably thinking, what's the big deal about savings accounts? But here's the thing, a high-yield savings account can be a game changer. It's not just about earning a few extra bucks in interest, it's about building wealth, creating a safety net, and achieving financial freedom. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to open a high-yield savings account, how to maximize your earnings, and how to make the most of this powerful financial tool. My friend, let's call her Emily, is a 32-year-old marketing manager, making around $65,000 a year. She's been saving aggressively for the past few years, but she was only earning a measly 0.1% interest rate on her old savings account. That's when she decided to make the switch to a high-yield savings account, and it's been a total game changer. She's now earning over 40 times more interest than she was before, and it's amazing to see the impact it's had on her finances. Here's a breakdown of Emily's situation. She had around $10,000 in savings, and she was earning a paltry $10 in interest per year. But after switching to a high-yield savings account, she's now earning around $420 in interest per year. That's a whopping 4,200% increase in interest earnings, and it's all because she made the switch to a high-yield savings account. Now, I know what you're thinking, how can I get in on this action? Well, it's actually pretty straightforward. You can open a high-yield savings account with a reputable online bank, and you can start earning higher interest rates right away. The key is to shop around, compare rates, and find an account that fits your needs. Some popular options include Ally, Marcus, and Discover, but there are many other great options out there, too. One thing to keep in mind is that high-yield savings accounts often come with some restrictions. For example, you might be limited to a certain number of withdrawals per month, or you might need to maintain a minimum balance to avoid fees. But if you're disciplined and can stick to the rules, a high-yield savings account can be a powerful tool for building wealth. Let me ask you, what's the biggest debt you're currently carrying? Is it credit card debt, student loans, or something else? Drop your answer in the comments below, and I'll do my best to provide some tailored advice. And if you're not sure where to start, don't worry, we'll get to that in a minute. For now, let's talk about the benefits of high-yield savings accounts. Not only can they help you earn more interest, but they can also provide a safe and liquid place to store your emergency fund. And with the current economic uncertainty, it's more important than ever to have a solid safety net in place. Now, I know some of you might be thinking, but what about investing? Shouldn't I be putting my money into the stock market instead of a savings account? And that's a great question. The truth is, investing can be a great way to grow your wealth over the long term, but it's not always the best option for short-term savings. High-yield savings accounts, on the other hand, offer a low-risk way to earn interest and keep your money liquid. And with the current interest rates, it's a great time to take advantage of these accounts. So, if you're looking for a safe and stable place to store your savings, a high-yield savings account is definitely worth considering. If that just clicked for you, hit like, it tells me to keep making this kind of content. And if you know someone who's struggling to save, send them this video. It might just be the spark they need to get started. As we wrap up, I want to leave you with a challenge. Take the next 30 days to review your savings strategy and see if a high-yield savings account is right for you. You might be surprised at how much you can earn in interest, and how much closer you can get to achieving your financial goals. In our next video, we'll be talking about the top 5 mistakes people make when it comes to savings, and how to avoid them. It's going to be a game changer, so be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Let's dive a bit deeper into the world of high-yield savings accounts. For example, did you know that some accounts offer interest rates as high as 4.5% or even 4.7%? That may not seem like a lot, but it can add up quickly. Let's say you have $10,000 in savings, and you're earning a 4.5% interest rate. That's $450 in interest per year, just for keeping your money in a savings account. Now, I know some of you might be thinking, but I'm not sure if I can trust online banks. And that's a fair concern. However, most online banks are insured by the FDIC, which means your deposits are protected up to $250,000. That's the same level of protection you'd get with a traditional brick-and-mortar bank. Another benefit of high-yield savings accounts is that they often come with minimal fees. Some accounts may have a small monthly maintenance fee, but many others have no fees at all. And with the rise of mobile banking, you can easily manage your account from your phone or tablet, making it easy to keep track of your finances on the go. To give you a better idea of how high-yield savings accounts work, let's look at a real-life example. Let's say you're saving up for a down payment on a house, and you need to save $20,000 in the next 2 years. If you put your money in a traditional savings account with a 0.1% interest rate, you'll earn a whopping $20 in interest over the course of 2 years. But if you put your money in a high-yield savings account with a 4.2% interest rate, you'll earn around $840 in interest over the same period. That's a difference of $820, just by switching to a high-yield savings account. Now, I want to address a common myth about high-yield savings accounts, that they're only for people with a lot of money. But the truth is, anyone can open a high-yield savings account, regardless of their income or savings level. In fact, many online banks offer accounts with no minimum balance requirements, so you can start earning interest right away, even if you only have a few $100s to start with. To make the most of a high-yield savings account, it's essential to understand the concept of compound interest. Compound interest is when the interest you earn on your savings is added to your principal balance, so you start earning interest on your interest. It's a powerful way to grow your wealth over time, and it's especially effective when combined with a high-yield savings account. For example, let's say you have $5,000 in a high-yield savings account with a 4.5% interest rate, compounded monthly. Over the course of a year, you'll earn around $225 in interest. But if you leave that interest in the account, it will start earning interest on itself, so you'll earn even more interest in the following year. That's the power of compound interest, and it's a key benefit of using a high-yield savings account. As we approach the end of this video, I want to leave you with a few action steps. First, take some time to review your current savings strategy and see if a high-yield savings account is right for you. Second, shop around and compare rates to find the best account for your needs. And third, start small and be consistent. Even a few $100s a month can add up over time. Remember, building wealth and achieving financial freedom takes time and discipline, but it's worth it in the end. And with the right tools and strategies, you can get there faster and with less stress. So, take the first step today and start building the financial future you deserve.